unless you have something else.
Well, at this point, it's going to get charged with cruelty, so we'll just probably have to go by warrant.
Okay, so you guys want to do it? We're going to do it by warrant?
I would love to take them now. We can under 329, but it's really up to you to ensure situation.
It's DCF's situation. It's not even our situation. We're just assisting them. So,
Yeah.
So then, we'll
Yeah.
get that written up.
okay.
We'll come back. But I mean, I have enough business to get right.
Okay. So as long as you're done with,
As long as you're done with your thing, she's done with her thing, we're going to release her, let them do their thing.
You didn't see any water in there, right? None of those doctor water?
Well, we didn't look for water.
Just take a quick look and make sure.
and then we're all set, right? Yeah.
Here's where they shut off the volume so you can't hear their lies. And they go back in.
He's just making sure he doesn't have any more of his stuff inside.
Where they're actually lying and going back in looking for water.
This